So as you can see guys, as I was getting these on, these ended up ripping somehow. I have no idea how, because I was like dead careful, unless there was a small hole there as I took it out the packet or something. So my quick technique is basically using some freeze hold hairspray. Now it can be any make. I just normally keep this in my handbag because I love the spray anyway. So all you need to do is, I normally tend to spray just the ends. I have got some left. But if you want to spray the full part, you can. That's fine too. And it basically acts like a sealant on the ends. Some people use clear nail varnish, some people tend to sew it. I just normally tend to use hairspray. So hopefully this doesn't run anymore. As you can see, I'm like sort of tugging at it and it's not moving any further, so fingers crossed it stays that way now.